Hi there, savewith.crypto here. Okay, so Bitcoin had a dump. Okay, so this was kind of to be expected, really, wasn't it? Because it had gone up so much, and this stonksy indicator, that's this one here that gives the green and red background, that went into a no trade zone yesterday afternoon on Sunday. And what I was expecting was to see the CME price from Friday get reached, and I think it pretty much did. Yeah, it did. It was at like 105,280. I said 105,255, but pretty much went up to there and then dumped down. So the stonksy indicator showed it going down at 104,271. Did I short it? No, I didn't, because I was asleep actually, so I didn't know about that. I'm actually in a little Bitcoin long from this kind of price here. Luckily, my liquidation price is right down at 87k, so I'm not going to worry too much about that at the moment. But if things get worse, then obviously I will. So the question is, will things get worse? Well, I don't know, to be honest. What I'm looking at the moment on the 3-minute time frame, so let's just turn Stonksy off for a moment, and let's put on my moving averages that I always talk about. If you want to know how to set these up, look at the video that's linked at the end of this video. And what these are is these red, cyan, yellow and green lines, which are respectively a 5, 9, 21 and 55 EMA. And what we like to see is the yellow cross over the green, which is a bullish sign. So at the moment it looks like that's going to happen probably while I'm making this video. And if so, that should give a little bounce. Whether it's a big bounce or not, I don't know. Just looking back in the past, you see the kind of thing it does is like that. So it's not going to be that dramatic. Really, I want to see that on the 5-minute time frame at least. And we're not there at the moment. But let's see what happens. So last night I put out a tweet that was a bit enigmatic. So this was a tweet I put out, and I was saying that if you know, you know. And what we're looking at here is the yellow 21 EMA crossing the green 55 EMA on the 6-hour time frame for Ethereum, which it hasn't done for quite a while. And it looked like it was so close. But this morning I had to point out that unfortunately they did not cross, and they actually went apart. And obviously the price of Ethereum dropped as well. So that was a shame. I really thought Ethereum was going to break out, but it didn't. Now, apparently one of the reasons the markets have crashed is because of this DeepSeek thing, which is like a ChatGPT competitor that's come out of China, which effectively threatens things like Nvidia, which obviously has quite a profound effect on the market. Whether this is going to be a long-term problem or not, I don't know, but I suspect it might just be a quick knee-jerk reaction to whatever news came out about DeepSeek. I mean, to me, I'm not that bothered about the news. All I want to see is these moving averages cross over here and the price of Bitcoin go back up. Well, let's give that half an hour and see what happens. I think we'll start going up from here, from 99.1, maybe back up to 100 and then beyond. Let's hope so. So in fact, that isn't really happening, is it? They got really close and then didn't cross, and coming back down again now. It's not really what I want to see, to be honest. Okay, so it's not looking good, is it? I mean, that low there is actually slightly higher than that low there. So that's something. But really what we're looking at probably is, if we get the fib tool out, from that low up to that high there, the 618 comes out at 96, well, pretty much 97k. 97k is probably quite likely. Beyond that, 93.5, I would say. That's probably where we're looking at. And then if we lose that, then, you know, we go much lower. So, yeah, not looking good, really. So, sorry about that. Unless you're in a short, of course. And I wish I was, but I'm not. Anyway, so it's 11:30 now on Monday the 27th of January 2025. And it does look possible we might be getting a little bit of relief here. It does look possible that yellow could cross the green. The fact that the red 5 EMA is now above the green is a good sign, to be honest, you know, because that's the one that moves the fastest and leads the way, if you like. So I'd probably suggest that you go and set these up. It's It's just one indicator. It's free on TradingView, and I've got certain settings that I use for it that you can check out in that video that's linked at the end of this video, so you'll be able to see it there. I'd also probably suggest that you take a look at Stonksy. Stonksy is a paid indicator, and you can get it from savewith.crypto.org/Stonksy. And if you do that, I will be giving away a cash prize to a random person in the first 100 people that use that link. There's only like 3 or 4 at the moment, so please do check it out. Stonksy on the 1 hour is normally incredibly reliable, as I showed earlier when it signified this dump that we had last night. So what I'm waiting for, first of all, is maybe a no trade zone like that, and then hopefully a green trade zone. And at that point, I will be going long. I'll probably add to my long position, to be honest, even though I'm underwater, because I will be fairly confident that the price will go back up. But we'll have to wait and see if that happens, because at the moment, as I say, I want to see these moving averages cross over on these EMAs first. The fact that we've got a green on the Stonksy on the 3 minute there is actually quite promising as well, although I do prefer the 1 hour signals. If Stonksy does go green on the 1 hour, I will let you know. I'll let you know in the Telegram group that I have, which is free. If you want to know about that, go to savewithcrypto.org/TG. And at the top of that, there's a pinned message which tells you how to get into the Save with Crypto Club, which is where we can have discussions about that sort of thing as well. If you want to discuss with other traders any sort of worries or tips or whatever you might have, that's all free to join as well. But I would prefer it if you used one of my affiliate links for the exchanges, which you will find in the description down below. And of course, the best way to know about everything is to be subscribed to this YouTube channel. So please make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel and you've got the notifications set on all. While you're down there, give the video a big fat like. Any questions, leave them in the comments, or just say hello in the comments. And above all, tell your friends.
Save with Crypto is a totally dope YouTube channel. Many of you know that I always have my mind on my money and my money on my mind. If it's flipping crypto, I'm Blofin, be the best crypto flipper in the world. Whatever it is you do, you have to master your craft. Everyone should own Bitcoin, maybe a whole Bitcoin. They're no fun if the homies can't have none. The thing is, you don't get respect if you don't deserve it. Save with Crypto deserves the ultimate respect. Do like all his videos. Subscribe with notifications on all. And above all, tell your friends.